Learn English tools. Hammer, a tool used for driving nails or breaking objects. He used a hammer to fix the wooden frame. Screwdriver, a tool used to tighten or loosen screws. She tightened the screws with a screwdriver. Wrench, a tool used to grip and turn bolts or nuts. He needed a wrench to loosen the bolt. Pliers, a tool used to grip or bend objects. She used pliers to cut the wire. Drill, a device used to make holes in walls, wood, or metal. He drilled a hole in the wall to hang the picture. Saw, a tool used for cutting wood, metal, or plastic. The carpenter used a saw to cut the wood. Multimeter, an electronic tool used to measure voltage, current, and resistance. The technician used a multimeter to test the circuit. Tape measure, a tool used to measure length or distance. She measured the table with a tape measure. Level, a tool used to check if surfaces are even. He used a level to ensure the shelf was straight. Allen key, a small, lightweight tool used for hexagonal screws. He assembled the furniture with an Allen key. Nail, a small metal pin used to fasten objects. He hammered a nail into the wall to hang the photo. Screw, a metal fastener with threads used to secure objects. The screw kept the table legs stable. Bolt, a threaded fastener paired with a nut for tightening. He secured the parts with a bolt and nut. Nut, a small metal piece with a hole used with bolts. The nut tightened the bolt securely. Paintbrush, a tool with bristles used to apply paint. He painted the wall with a large paintbrush. Shovel, a tool with a broad blade used for digging or moving materials. He used a shovel to dig a hole for the tree. Wheelbarrow, a one-wheeled cart used to transport heavy materials. He carried the bricks in a wheelbarrow. Ladder, a tool with steps used to climb to higher places. He used a ladder to reach the roof. Rope, a long, strong cord used for tying or pulling objects. He tied the boxes together with a rope. Plunger, a tool used to clear blockages in pipes or drains. He used a plunger to unclog the sink. Safety glasses, glasses worn to protect the eyes from dust or debris. He wore safety glasses while cutting wood. Magnifying glass, a tool used to magnify small objects. He used a magnifying glass to read the fine print. Thanks for watching.